Okay, I seem to have a problem with charging my new Xiaomi Mi Drones RC remote controller. I should show you now. It's 7:39 in the day, and now I shall connect it to my adapter. There it is, and you see it flashes just like it should. So I will come back within 1 to 2 hours. So when the time is 8:40, I will start filming again. I won't remove this for the time being, and then we should say if anything happens, because I have actually charged this controller for maybe I started to charge it in the evening yesterday, I think 9 o'clock, and I woke up now at 6 and nothing has happened. So see you later. Okay, it's almost done. It's almost 8:40, and you can see it's still after an hour, just one LED light turned on. As you can see, I'm getting close to 8:40. As I said, I should disconnect the remote controller from the charging procedure. Here is the controller, and yeah, the manual says it should flash like that if when charging, but I probably think the other LEDs should get lit up as turned on as well at some point. So when it's almost full, it should be all the LEDs flashing, but they do not at the moment. And now it's time to remove the charging thing, the cable here. I tried several cables. I tried this Sony cable, and of course I tried the USB cable that came with a quad. None of those seems to work. I use different types of USB charging adapters, and I tried this connector here, this white round, and I tried the one that's in the wall, and none of them seems to work. The controller seems to acknowledge that there is a connected USB cable to it though. But now let's see, has something happened? I pressed the button and no, it's just two LEDs still lit up. Something must be wrong here. I heard it should take around 2 hours to charge this thing, but not around 7, 8 hours. It not. Something must be wrong. So please, Banggood, or anyone that knows what to do or what's wrong, because this can't be normal.